Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a playlist and how you can use your playlist to acquire more watch hours and more views for your channel. So if this is a video you like to watch, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel. The first question you might be asking is, what is a playlist? And the second question that might be on your mind is, do I really need a playlist? And the third question you'll be asking is, how can I use a playlist to get more views and increase my watch time? A playlist is simply organizing your videos into groups, grouping your videos, like putting related videos together in a folder. That folder, now YouTube calls it a playlist. When you are operating on your laptop or on your phone, you can call it a folder, but on YouTube it's called a playlist. So a playlist is simply grouping your videos together to form a group or putting them in a folder. That's just what a playlist is on YouTube. And when you organize your videos into a playlist, you get more views and increased watch time. And this is just how it happens. When somebody watches a video from your playlist, YouTube ends up recommending more videos from your playlist. So if someone enters a playlist on your channel, after seeing one video, they might end up seeing 2, 3, 4, 5, and even all the videos on that playlist. So your watch time will end up being increased and you will have more views on your videos. So it is very important that you create playlists on your channel. And if you've not been creating playlists on your channel, you should start now. In this video, I'm going to take you through how you can create a playlist. If you already have videos on your channel and you've not grouped them into a playlist, I'm also going to be showing you how you can add those already upload videos on your channel to a playlist. The first thing you need to do is head over to your YouTube app. Now this is my YouTube app and this is what the home page looks like. So the next thing you do, click on this bottom part that says you. At the bottom you see home, you see short, you see a plus sign, you see subscriptions, and you see you at the bottom right. So click on this part that says you. Then you are going to see your image at the top. You're going to see history, the videos you have watched, and you're going to see playlist. Now this part that says playlist, just click on this plus sign, not this part that says view all. Click on the plus. Now it brings you here. All you have to do is create a title or put a title for that playlist you want to create. So let me say the title of this playlist I want to create is my live streams. My live streams. Now make sure that the visibility of your playlist is made public. Now you go ahead to click on create. So you have created successfully a playlist that says my live streams. Now you can go ahead to add videos into this playlist, but before we add videos to this playlist, let's go ahead to create more playlists just in case you didn't get the first one. Now you click on this arrow that says back. It brings you back to this place. You click on this plus, you see this place that says playlist again, and you click on the plus sign. Now you go ahead to name your playlist. Let me say how to get more views. Depending on the kind of content you create, depending on the videos on your channel, that's what you use to name your playlist. How to get more views. Make sure that your visibility is public. Then go ahead to click on create. Now it brings you back here to this place. Clicking on this pencil icon enables you to add further description about the playlist. If you click on the pencil sign, you can add a thumbnail or a picture. If you click on this add description, you can describe what your playlist is going to be about. Always make sure that your visibility is public. Let's say how to get more views on YouTube fast. I'll click on done, and you can see that this save button has now shown white. So I click on save. and voila, edits saved. Now if you want to upload a video on your channel using the YouTube app, you just click on this plus sign, click on video, select whatever video it is you want to add. Today I'm going to show you how you can use this settings. Click on next, and then put in your title, put in your description, make sure choose whatever visibility you want, your location if need be, and then you click on this page that says add to playlist. Now there are already some playlists on my channel, about 6 of them, so you can add this video to as many playlists as you want. You can even add it to all the playlists, it depends on you, but make sure that you are adding your video to multiple playlists, especially your new videos. That way you will get more views. Somebody can come to your channel and click on how to get more views playlist, and then they're still going to find your video there. If they click on get 1k subscribers, they're still going to find that video there. If they click on how to know that you are shadow banned, they are still going to get that video there. So make sure that you're adding your playlist, your video, to more than one playlist to increase your views and your watch time. Now when you finish filling all of these, make sure that you add your videos to playlist, and then you click on next and proceed with uploading your videos. But we're not going to go into all of that, so let me show you how you can add your videos to playlists for your already uploaded videos. Now let's head over to our YouTube studio and show you how you can add your videos to a playlist for those who already have videos that are not yet in playlists. On content, now go ahead to your videos or whatever, shorts or your live streams, whichever one you want to add to a playlist, and all you have to do, click on those 3 dots at the side, it says edit. Now wait for it to load. When it loads, you are going to see title, description, visibility, audience, location, and then playlists. Now you can see viral tips. Playlist says viral tips and 5 more. That is because this video is already added to 5 playlists, 6 playlists, viral tips 1 and 5 others. Now if your video, look at it, if your video is already included in a playlist, this is how it's going to be. So these ones that are ticked are the playlist that this video is already in, and these 2 that are not ticked are the 2 playlists that we just created. So I can tick on them, I can decide to remove whichever one I like, and then I click on done, and also make sure you click on this save. So that's how you add your videos to playlists. Now I'm still going to show you how you can choose a playlist when you are uploading using your YouTube Studio. Now let's head over to our YouTube Studio mobile version, or rather desktop version. So this is my YouTube Studio desktop version. Now I'll click on this plus and video sign that says create, and then I'll choose upload videos, just like I'm going to upload a fresh video on my channel using my YouTube Studio desktop version. I'll click on this part that says select file, then I choose my file from whatever location I'm used to choosing it from. This is where I usually choose my videos from, that's why I clicked on it. So if it's different for your phone, make sure you choose wherever you get it from. Now I'm going to go ahead to choose a video. So let's say this is a video I want to upload, and then I'll click on the video and wait for it for a moment for it to load. Now when it's done loading, I'm going to choose my title, modify my description, upload a thumbnail, and then I come to this place that says playlist, and then I'll choose a playlist. From here, there are so many playlists on this particular channel. This is my second channel, so I'll just choose a playlist from it and then add it to any playlist of my choice. But whatever I'm doing, I just make sure that I add my videos to multiple playlists. So any and most times I don't add it to all playlists, especially when it's a new video. So any playlist you click on, you are going to see that video and make that video get more views. So that's how I do it, and I hope this will be helpful for you. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on any of my updates. Until next time, bye.